Hi friends, welcome to this video. This video is part of Workspace Excellence series, where I shared you tips to improve and enhance your performance in Workspace. There are many skills required to thrive in Workspace or in cooperate culture. Some of them, being best what you are doing, and show your work, and keep eye on prize what is possible promotion or raise. In this video, I share you the idea of ask why you should do this task. Be confident. Confidence is the key in everything. You have to be confident in your skin always. When you have started to work at a place, do not ever hesitate or slow down. Appear as a confident and firm individual in front of the staff. Don't give up on self-limiting notions. You should not always depend upon your recollection for correct info. Attempt to talk yourself out of negative self-talk. Always indulge in good positive thoughts and self-talk. Replace negative ideas with pleasing ones. Be inquisitive. Face your fears to get power. Determine where you lack confidence and what might help you gain confidence. Have adequate body language and a firm tone while talking. When you appear to be a confident individual, you will gain more attention. Always be eager to see the bigger picture. You won't be capable of giving the employer your all if you can't see the broader context. You could be a mere will in a massive mincer, but if you can't take a pause and just see, you won't be able to accomplish your job until you know whatever the entire system is working to. Furthermore, if everyone around you only ever discusses the concept of the screw and its near neighboring cogs, bolts, shafts, and pistons, you will picture yourself as fitting nicely into that small section of the processor. Always be eager to gather as much information as you can. It might sound a little desperate, but you will never be able to excel at your job if you do not know the whole picture and have no clue about the working of the office. Ask questions. You want to advance and make a greater impact. And to do so, and to be considered a viable candidate for the job, you must first comprehend what fuels the entire thing and what its aim is. You accomplish this by asking questions. When your supervisor updates you on a new assignment or project, inquire about how it integrates into the overall picture. Why are you changing your emphasis to phone sales? Is this a regular market pattern, or is your organization doing something unique? Is the division in the accounting office to serve consumers or to enhance the inner core? And so forth. I'm not referring to bombarding your employer with queries about what color safety pin to be used for the purple identical sheets or if it's okay to submit your holiday application through email. I'm talking about showing your supervisor that you care about the entire organization, not just your department, and that you have your eye on the big picture. So, guys, I have told you about how can you learn to ask why in the organization. You must be confident and see the wider picture before asking any questions. Asking questions can be extremely beneficial for you, as your boss will begin to regard you as somebody qualified to work at a superior stage with a broader perspective, as well as someone devoted to and concerned about the entire organization. But you'll also notice that your position makes a lot more sense when you can see the big picture, and that you're more driven when you comprehend why changes, new instructions, extra work, or special initiatives are happening. When you understand everything better, you will be excelling at your work too and getting frequent promotions. I hope that you like this video. If you do, then give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. Till then, goodbye.